Yo, what's up everyone, it's your name. And if you're looking to break into the tech scene, you've come to the right place. We're talking programming languages, the tools that build our digital world. Whether it's AI, web dev, or those slick apps you use every day, there's a language behind it all. And today we're diving deep into the top 5 you need to master in 2025. Stay tuned, things are about to get interesting. First up, we've got Python. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, versatile, reliable, and easy to pick up. Think of it as the language that unlocks the magic of AI, big data, and more. Machine learning, data visualization, web development, Python's got it all. Thanks to its massive library of pre-built modules, less time reinventing the wheel, more time building the next big thing, Python's clean syntax makes it super beginner-friendly. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations, Python drives innovation. For a language with potential and a supportive community, Python is your go-to. Next up, we're diving into the heart of the web, JavaScript. This is the language that brings websites to life, adding interactivity and animations. Think about those slick online shopping experiences, interactive maps, and browser games. That's all JavaScript. It's the backbone of front-end and back-end web development. Frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js have taken JavaScript to a new level. Whether you're building a single-page portfolio or an e-commerce platform, JavaScript is your sidekick. And the best part? JavaScript is everywhere. Every browser speaks JavaScript, making it highly in demand. So if you want to make your mark on the web, learn JavaScript. Chapter 3. Java, the enterprise-grade powerhouse. Now, let's shift gears and talk about Java, the workhorse of the programming world. When it comes to building large-scale, enterprise-level applications, Java is the undisputed king. Think banking systems, financial platforms, and those massive back-end systems that power our digital world. Java's strength lies in its robustness, security, and ability to handle massive amounts of data. It's the language that powers millions of Android apps, enterprise applications, and even those mission-critical systems that keep our infrastructure humming. But Java isn't just about size and scale, it's also incredibly versatile. From web development to mobile apps, Java's write once, run anywhere philosophy makes it a top choice for developers worldwide. So, if you're looking for a language that's in high demand, offers excellent job security, and lets you build applications that can scale to millions of users, Java is the language to master. Chapter 4. C#, Unleashing Your Game Development Dreams. Alright gamers, this one's for you. C#, the language that powers those immersive gaming experiences we all know and love. If you've ever dreamed of building your own games, C# is your ticket to the big leagues. We're talking about the Unity game engine, the driving force behind countless AAA titles and indie darlings alike. C#'s tight integration with Unity makes it the go-to language for creating stunning graphics, realistic physics, and engaging gameplay. But C#'s powers go far beyond gaming. It's also a top choice for building Windows desktop applications, web services, and even mobile apps, thanks to its versatility and powerful frameworks. So whether you're creating the next Fortnite or building a sleek desktop app, C# gives you the tools and flexibility to bring your ideas to life. Chapter 5. Kotlin, the future of Android development. Last but not least, we have Kotlin, the modern and concise language that's taking the Android world by storm. If you're looking to build sleek, efficient, and future-proof Android apps, Kotlin is your new best friend. Kotlin's clean syntax, null safety features, and seamless interoperability with Java make it a joy to work with. It's like Google took everything great about Java, added a modern twist, and said, here's the future of Android development. And Google isn't just talking the talk, they're walking the walk. Kotlin is now the officially preferred language for Android app development, which means it's only going to get bigger and better. So if you're ready to ride the wave of Android innovation, Kotlin is the language to learn. It's got Google's stamp of approval, a vibrant community, and the power to build the next generation of mobile experiences. Outro, level up your skills. So there you have it, the top 5 programming languages to master in 2025. Whether you're drawn to the power of Python, the versatility of JavaScript, or the mobile magic of Kotlin, there's a language out there waiting for you to unlock its potential. Let me know in the comments which language you're most excited to learn, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon for more tech deep dives. Remember, the best time to start coding was yesterday, the second best time is now. So go out there, start building, and let's shape the future together.